Hi, little stars! Are you ready to test yourself and your parents' riddle-solving skills? Riddle number 1. I'm a vehicle used to lift heavy objects vertically. I have a hydraulic arm with a hook or a claw. What am I? Take your time, kids and parents. Let me give you a clue. Is it a forklift, a crane, or a bulldozer? Now, let's grab your imaginary cleaning supplies and help me wipe and wash these vehicles. We want them to sparkle again. Your help is going to make a big difference. Can you be even more helpful and spot the ambulance? That's it. You're amazing helpers. A crane is a big and tall machine that helps us lift and move heavy things. It looks like a giant bird with a long neck and a strong body. Riddle number 2. I'm a frosty delight, cold and sweet. A summertime treat that can't be beat. With cones or bowls, you take a lick, but hurry up. I'll melt so quick. Is it a pizza, an ice cream, or a salad? Well done! It is an ice cream. An ice cream is a delicious frozen treat that comes in many flavors and colors. It's made from creamy, sweet milk or fruit, and you eat it with a special spoon. Ice cream is cold and refreshing, perfect for hot days or as a yummy dessert. You can find it in ice cream shops or even make your own at. Riddle number 3. I'm a vehicle with a powerful water hose. I can spray water to put out fires. Is it a fire truck, excavator, or a bulldozer? Well done! It's a fire truck. Now, let's grab your imaginary cleaning supplies and help me wipe and wash these vehicles. We want them to sparkle again. That's it. You're amazing helpers. Fire trucks are equipped with powerful water hoses and pumps. They can spray water at high pressures to extinguish fires quickly and efficiently. These trucks also carry a variety of tools and equipment like axes and cutting tools to help firefighters gain access to buildings and rescue people in. Riddle number 4. I'm a delightful dessert, layers stacked high. With frosting and decorations, celebrating birth, what am I? Is it a pancake, a birthday cake, or French fries? Well done! It's a birthday cake. A birthday cake is a special cake that we have on our birthdays. It's usually round or rectangular, and it's decorated with colorful frosting and candles. When we blow out the candles, we make a wish. Riddle number 5. I've a big round drum that spins and mixes materials together, just like a giant blender creating a special kind of paste called concrete. Is it a cement mixer, ice cream truck, or mail truck? Well done! It is a cement mixer. Now, let's grab your imaginary cleaning supplies and help me wipe and wash these vehicles. We want them to sparkle again. Your help is going to make a big difference. That's it. You're amazing helpers. A cement mixer is a cool machine used in construction. It mixes cement, sand, and water to make strong concrete. It looks like a big drum that spins around when the cement mixer turns. It blends all the ingredients together. It's like a big and powerful blender for construction. Materials. Riddle number 6 with big floppy ears and a fluffy white tail. I hopped through the meadow, my favorite trail. What animal am I? Is it a lion, a rabbit, or an elephant? Well done! It is a rabbit. Did you know that rabbits are amazing hoppers? They have strong legs that help them jump high and far. They also have big ears that help them hear well. Riddle number 7. I'm a round, sugary treat, covered in glaze. A breakfast favorite that brightens your days. What am I? Is it a pancake, a pizza, or a donut? Well done! It is donut. Donut hair round pastries with a hole in the middle. Donuts can be glazed, frosted, or filled with yummy flavors like chocolate or jelly. They're often enjoyed as a sweet breakfast or snack. Donuts come in different shapes and sizes, and they're super fun to eat. Riddle number 8. I'm a small, buzzing insect. Collecting nectar all day with vibrant wings, I fly away. What am I? Is it a butterfly, a bee, or a spider? Well done! It is a bee. Did you know that bees are incredible pollinators? They help flowers grow by transferring pollen from one flower to another. Bees have a special substance called honey, which they make from flower nectar. They live together in hives and work as a team. How many riddles you cracked this time? I really love riddles. If you also like it, don't forget to let us know and give it a thumbs up or hit that like button. See you soon!